This is Ken from JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest price anywhere online. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazzTime.com. Now today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Day-Date 36 in Platinum, reference 118206, with an ice blue dial and President Bracelet. I'm going to talk to you guys about the dial, the bezel, the case, the movement, bracelet. I'm going to try it on and I'm going to give you my thoughts on it. So let's go ahead and talk about the bezel. Now the bezel here is platinum, and of course, as is the rest of the watch, and it's domed. Now if you like a platinum watch and you want it as a Day-Date 36, you'll be forced to buy the older version because they no longer make Day-Date 36s in platinum. At least as of 2020, they only make it in all the other precious metals in gold, but not in platinum. Or you'd have to go up to a 41 or 40 millimeter. So that makes this one kind of special, because if you want a smaller watch, you don't want a big honking 40 millimeter, and you think a 36 would be right, or let's say you're a female and you want a larger watch, but you want it in platinum, then you would actually have to get one of these older watches. It's not that much older, but it is discontinued. And you can actually get it at jazztime.com and click on the link in the description below to find it. Now let's talk about the dial. Now the dial uses a very special dial. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I'm kind of moving it in different directions for you. It's actually ice blue. It looks like a blue, but it's light, you know, and that ice blue dial is only on the Rolex Platinum editions. So they don't make this dial with any other material. And that's one way that Rolex allows, you know, they save this particular dial for this watch only. Okay, so only this ice blue dial, and it's actually a very beautiful dial. I really like it personally. I think it complements the platinum perfectly. I'm trying to move it in different shades for you so you guys can see it at home. That's probably a pretty good shade right there. Now let's talk about the hour markers. The hour markers are Roman, and let's talk about the movement here. The movement is using a 3155 caliber of movement, which has 31 joules, has a power reserve of 48 hours, a frequency of 28,800, and it actually also tells you the day and the date. So this would be the date, and this would be the day. Tuesday up here. Now, since this is a day-date, it would tell both, as opposed to a date just, which just tells the date. Now, if we just pull it out one click, you can start scrolling through the numbers, and those numbers there are the date. 26, 27, so on. And I'm moving the crown in the clockwise fashion. Now, if I move it in the counterclockwise fashion, you see up top, it's Wednesday, now it's Thursday, it's Friday, and you notice that the date window, it doesn't change, so you can actually set the day and the date independent of one another. So basically you can tell what you have a watch that tells both the day and the date, which I think is pretty cool. Sometimes we forget one or the other or both. So let's go ahead and talk about the bracelet here. Now the bracelet is using a President Bracelet. Now it has 3 links across, and it's really cool in that it has a high polish down the center and brush down the edges. Now it uses this hidden clasp, right? So once you close it, it actually becomes hidden, so you can't see it. Now this being platinum, I'm not sure if you guys can see it maybe in the video, but you surely can see it in the pictures. I'm trying to zone it in right there so you guys can see. Can you guys see that? It has amazing hallmarks. These are hallmarks of platinum. That means that the watch is stamped in platinum. I can't go through all those hallmarks with you, but hopefully you can see them in the video. And if you can't, maybe you can zoom in on the pictures. Or better yet, why don't you buy it? You can look at it with a loupe at your own house. Now you see at the edges here, it's got these really nice engravings. Those are actually platinum hallmarks. They're not on steel because obviously steel doesn't have any hallmarks because it's not a precious metal. Okay. Now I really like this watch. I think it's really cool. Now they don't make this in as I said before, they don't make 36 day dates, so I think it's really quite a cool watch. I think if you want my thoughts on it, I think women can wear this watch if they don't want to wear something super flashy like a yellow gold day date. You know, they could opt to wear a platinum watch. They still want to wear something that is precious metal, but they don't want to wear something so flamboyant such as yellow gold. They can opt for one of these, baby blue platinum. I mean, I think that's pretty awesome. You know, I'm pretty sure some celebrities do that so they don't have to look so flashy, you know. Now this is a 36 millimeter. They also make this in 40 millimeter. And that's in production. It's really heavy. Now men could, if they want the largest version of this, they can wear you know, 40 millimeter. Now I'm a man and I'm wearing it. Does it look small on me? If you ask me, no, it actually looks perfect. And I might even consider the 36 over the 40. I'm not a huge guy, I'm not a small guy, I'm probably about average. And you can see it kind of just fits, covers the wrist exactly perfect. And you know, if I'm trying to decide between this and a yellow gold or some rose gold one, you know, I might choose one of these if I don't want to be, you know, totally seen. You know, it kind of almost looks like a steel watch in some ways, except it has this incredible blue dial. And of course, you know, it's platinum, which is the most important. And platinum is one of the most rare precious metals on Earth, which is what makes this watch super special. And I don't know why Rolex doesn't make the Day-Date 36 in platinum anymore, but we have it at Jazz Time, so if you want to buy it, simply click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jazz Time, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.